Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Kibor Pyniaid District, Jnv West Jaiñtia Hills, mynta ke sngi, ke arpusan tarik Kyllalyngkot arhaja arpulai, kila Rakhe ya ke 13th National Voters Day, hak jingïalang bela pynlong ha phyllau ke Skul, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Jnv Mukhla West Jaiñtia Hills, halor ke phang kaba, ong. Nothing like voting, I vote for sure. Ya ke jingïalang la pynïaid do ba Phanbuh, MCS Assistant Commissioner Jowai, hak jingdonlang kongsan ba Batlang Sohliya, IAS Deputy Commissioner West Jaiñtia Hills District, ma MA Challam, MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner, ba Wankhraw ke Kharbuli, MCS Assistant Commissioner, kong H.M.L Kynta Additional Deputy Commissioner, E.L Warjri ADM, Principal Jong Skul, kinung hikay lambat kihna Skul. Katba nakalyang kongsan ba Batlang Sohliya, hak jingkren ulapan sengawi ke jingdonlang ban Rakhe, yakni ke sngi National Voters Day, hapok karihi barok kawai, ulaong, kani gade ke hok jong wei pa uwei unong shong shnong, hari ban pendap ya ke kam sensyar ba. Ulakan turu ya ki samla ki bedon, ya ki epik thamai, bakin long ki bashlur dakamwan lat lut, banjit ya ki nong mikmat namar hakapor bakin yon, ya ka syap kidon tang marwe bat omdon manu bayoi. Daka bamut lang ya baro kinok song shnong ke district makin mi syakmat ban pendap ya kini ke jingtap vote MLA haka arpunyo tarik uram phang.
Already enunciated, it's a right, it's a legal right, it's a constitutional right, and at this point in time I urge the young people and of course all of us who are already enrolled in the electoral rolls to step out, to come out on the 27th of February to cast your votes. And in doing so, you will be an instrument. Although you feel perhaps at the time when you enter the polling station and you go to the balloting unit to press on a button of your choice, at that point in time, you're alone. You feel you're alone. I'm going to press this button. I'm alone here. But there are millions of you in the state who are going to do just that at that time. So, although you're alone in that voting compartment at that time, there are so many of you at the same time, and at that action that we will do that day by pressing a button, you have become an instrument of the true vibrant democracy of our country that we live in. You are a tool. You are a, you can make it or break it. So I urge each and everyone to come out and to vote wholeheartedly on the 27th of February. And we would like to inform you also that the results, or rather the counting, won't take long after that. It will be on the 2nd of March. So we won't be having, we won't have long to wait. The results will be out on the 2nd of March. So again, I urge everyone to take part in this democratic process, and by doing so, we are exercising our rights, and then we'll be as true citizens of the country. That program that's slated for today now to be successful, and that the entire program for the elections, be it from the Additional Deputy Commissioners and the Assistant Commissioners and all the other government servants and everyone who's involved, the very best. If there's any issues or problems or clarifications that needs to be clarified, we are there to help you. We are there to clarify and to make sure that the entire election process till the 6th of March, actually, that's when the Election Commission of India has declared that is the day when everything will be reconciled. That process will be over, that it will be a successful one, especially here in West Jaiñtia Hills and Meghalaya in general, that it will be a good election. There won't be any, any violence or any foul methods or any complaints from anyone. Everybody knows their rights and will be done so in a peaceful, free, fair and in a good manner. With these few words, I wish to thank everyone here and I wish the furtherance of the program a success.